So welcome to the Sports Talk edition of annual Bad Dad Jokes.
Where we like that.
See, we can't even get started with this stuff. This is
Let-
how good it's going to be.
Let's just
No,
do it
no,
over. Let's do it over again.
no. All right, welcome to the Sports Talk edition of annual Bad Dad Jokes.
Where we will discuss the biggest stories in sports.
And by discussing,
We mean ruining them with terrible jokes.
exactly. Let's get started. Why don't baseball players join bands?
Why?
They're always trying to cover the bases. Didn't.
Why don't basketball players go on vacation?
Why is that?
They're afraid of traveling.
Bad foul. Why did the baseball team hire a baker?
Why?
Well, they needed better batter.
Why did the wrestler become a landscaper?
Why is that?
Because he was not great at laying the smack out.
Lay the smackdown.
Two people got that.
Why was the baseball stadium always cool?
Why?
Because it was full of fans.
Why was the basketball court wet?
Who the heck knows why?
Because the players kept dribbling.
That one's good. Why don't baseball players ever get locked out of their houses?
Why?
Because they always know where home is. Yeah, that's
I
it.
want to know. Say what you.
What did one wall say to the other wall?
What?
I'll meet you at the corner.
Why don't basketball players go on vacation?
Why would that be?
They're afraid of traveling.
Of course they are. Why did the football team go to the bank?
Why?
You guys can guess.
No.
2-1
Say it.
to get their quarterback.
What do you call a factory that makes good products?
I don't know.
Satisfactory.
That was a snort.
Satisfactory. Did you hear about the guy who invented the knock-knock choke?
No.
He won a Nobel Prize.
Oh.
Why don't Knicks fans ever get lost?
I don't know. Why is that, Evans?
Because they know their way to the garden.
One day they might even win something.
I know.
Can you imagine that?
Fingers crossed.
For you? I accidentally swallowed some food coloring.
Are you okay?
I think so, but I feel like I've died a little inside. I got you right.
A little bit, yeah. What do sprinters eat before a race?
What would that be?
Nothing. They fast.
God.
Why do sports fans make great homeowners?
Why is that?
Because they already know how to deal with the ups and downs.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed the Sports Talk edition.
And whether you're rooting for New York sports
or rooting for your next home,
we've got you covered.
Happy Father's Day.
And thanks for putting up with these really bad jokes.
And remember,
we're both better realtors than comedians. Although after these jokes,
the bar wasn't exactly set very high now, was it?
Happy Father's Day.